Everybody, this is Ahmed Badawi, and this is my demonstration and verification video for my ECE 5000 project. This video will be divided into multiple parts to demonstrate and verify my product and going through it. And let's jump into the first part. So for the first part, I'm doing a review for my product and its container. As we can see, the container of the product is basically a box with multiple holes from the side to allow in and out for the wires. The first hole is for the light plug. Basically, we're gonna use this lamp as a example to demonstrate my product and plug it into this plug as instructed on the labels. Here is the temperature and humidity sensor as well as the light intensity sensor, all labeled and marked, hanging from outside the box to accurately measure the light intensity of the room as well as the temperature and humidity of the room. And it also monitors the frequent changes of the temperature, humidity, and light intensity. This is the USB power source for the Arduino board, and this is the heater plug. And we're also going to use this heater as an example for our product today. And that's a total overview for my product. So the way this product works is basically by opening up the dashboard in IoT Cloud, which I'll be demonstrating how to set up and open in the next part of the video. And after we do that and we make sure it's all running and set up, we plug our heater into the heating plug, which is located on the front side of the box, as we showed earlier. Then we plug the lamp plug into the light plug, also labeled and indicated on the box. After it's all connected successfully, now we can see on the dashboard that the light intensity, temperature, and humidity are being monitored on the gauge and the charts. And also notice two switches here labeled as heater controller and light control. So as of now, the lamp and the heater are turned off because the switches on the dashboard are switched off. But once we switch the heater controller on, we can see that once we switch the heater controller on, it does turn on. And then if we want to turn it off, we just basically click on the switch. Same goes for the lamp, it's turned on. Once we want to turn it off, we just turn it from the switch. And that's from the web dashboard. Now we move into the dashboard on your mobile phone. So for the phone part, we download IoT remote from Apple Store. Then we click on it, and then after we sign in, we're gonna see the dashboard connected to our web. And basically we can just turn it on. And as we can see, you can also see the data that are shown on the web dashboard on our phones, and basically control the lamp and the heater through our phones. So by just by a single switch, we can turn on the heater and the lamp, just like the web. And this is the way it is controlled remotely. So in this part of the video, I will teach you how to set up your IoT cloud to control the heater and the lamp remotely. So first of all, you go on Google and search up IoT cloud. After that, we press on Arduino Cloud Arduino documentation. Then once we go in there, we're gonna notice there's Arduino IoT Cloud and SDK and API. We are trying to press on Arduino IoT Cloud. And then we're gonna have to sign in. After that, we're gonna notice that there's a list of things, and the thing we're trying to use is temperature and light control, which is our product. Then we'll press on it, and then we gotta make sure that the associated device is connected to the laptop through the USB port that I showed earlier in the video. And there's a Wi-Fi configuration set up for the project to be able to connect it to, to the Arduino to be able to connect it to the IoT cloud through the Wi-Fi. So you just gotta put your Wi-Fi name and password in these sections. You hit save. And then after that, it's all ready to go. We go on Sketch. We hit Verify. It takes normally like a minute or two to verify and upload your code. After we verify, we hit on verify and upload. It'll also take another minute. After a minute or so, we can notice that the heater and the lamp are turned on. That indicates that the Arduino has been successfully connected to the system. And then we notice that successfully uploading. And then we hit the dashboard. This section, you can notice all the data are being shown right now. That means that the system has been successfully connected to the dashboard IoT cloud. And then from there we can control, switch on and off the heater and the light, and monitor our data. As you can see here, when I put the heater in the heating mode, the temperature slowly rises. It was started at 14.1 and now it's at 15.4, which shows that the DHT11 works fine. I've also chosen the humidity chart, this one and this one. It keeps fluctuating, but eventually it goes to the right value.